Hi, I've finished my consulting. Today, Saturday afternoon, after long on this weekend, I'm in Pune. So I'm going now for my stem cell. I do autologous stem cell therapy twice every year. So today, you will see how nicely I'm going to do that. Dr. Rajesh will take out my bone marrow. It will go in the lab. It will process. I'll take IV, go home and enjoy the weekend with family. Come with me. I consult on 6th floor and now we are going to 3rd floor into stem cell lab. I need to change there, of course, and then I'll see you in the lab. Kyo Krishna, tayari hai? So my staff is waiting only for me. They want to enjoy this therapy with me. Dress dena padega. Chala. So this is the lab inside the complex. Hi Dr. Rajesh. All set? He keeps me young. Oh, my team from the lab. They all are ready here. They are just waiting when I can finish the OPD. We do it. Come. Come with me. Hi, I just want to show you my photo. You can read 7th November 2016. My first stem cells I did in September 2016 after I saw my mom's result. And I found tremendous difference. Wrinkles, my weight was more, but wrinkles have gone, the skin, complexion. I do understand there is a little makeup, but overall you can see how the lymphatics, everything, the edema, everything goes off. There are no wrinkles at all. And this is because stem cells have changed. It changes the complexion. Your all pigmentation goes off. So this is an additional advantage I do for my internal organs to have my liver, my pancreas, my heart to become at least 10 years younger or 5 years younger. But this byproduct, skin, complexion, edema, wrinkles, all that becomes beautiful. So 7th November 2016, this is in my one of the conference. This is my favorite photo. I'm going to do the bone marrow aspiration. Now here I use autologous bone marrow therapy since 2016, except the COVID year in 2020. Every year I do 2 times the stem cells. That is purely for anti-aging, to delay the aging. Our chronological age is going, we can't change it, but the biological age, where the organ regeneration. So now the science has advanced to understand that the stem cells we can remove from the bone marrow and we can process it. And in my case, it's an anti-aging. I just put it just without manipulation. By centrifugation, we separate them from the rest of the plasma, bony spicules, other cells, the RBCs and WBCs and rest. And then these separated stem cells, we will be putting IV directly because I am doing anti-aging. By passing IV, in fraction of second, it will reach to my every organ from heart to pancreas to liver to bones and skin and everything. What is important is, it is not my outside beauty because it will improve my skin texture, skin blood supply, the complexion, the lymphatic blood supply. I may look very younger also, but the most important thing is my functioning of my internal organs. That is what I want. at this age. My biological age, I'm 61. I want my biological age, if possible, to go below 10 years. How will I go? It is only if I regenerated the cells. Every day they are getting damaged. They are degenerating and I am boosting my cells. After this, I'll take a NAD therapy also, which will act fuel to these newly grown cells. The stem cells has an advantage when I'm putting an IV. It will just go in circulation to all organs, but there is a homing phenomenon. If there is any damage, it will just help to regrow and repair that damage. Also, there are many more advantages. Now the stem cells which we are taking out is from bone marrow and he will do it under local anesthesia. So he is aspirating the bone marrow. It's not painful. He is pulling from the posterior iliac bone, the hip bone, and is taking out. Usually we try to take around 150 to 200 cc. You see, I'm smiling. There's nothing. And we have Archana, who is collecting and giving. This is heparinized so that there is no blood clotting. They are taking out. How many cc have removed? Oh, show them. So 4 bottles we have collected. So 200 cc. When we started, we used to take 100 cc. But we realized when I take 150 cc, 200 cc, per cc, the volume will be, the concentration of the stem cells will be very good. While doing a procedure, I am continuously talking to you. It hardly takes 5 cc. Now today, they will give a 18 cc total. I have requested them give 2 cc for my hair. I am doing an exosome. In a hair also, I want to use 2 cc of a stem cells and 1 cc of PRP. So they can combine exosomes, they can combine the stem cells 2 cc and 1 cc of PRP. And I have little this area more thinning. I'll be using that. So I think it is a most simplest procedure, most rewarding procedure. At present, I don't have knee joint pains. Absolutely, I do sometimes even 20,000 steps. I don't have knee joint pain. But I know for sure that any time I start getting knee joint, it means stage 1 or stage 2 osteoarthritis. I'll be requesting them to put 2 cc in each knee joint so that I will reform the cartilage. So I'm taking my biological age back. So this is rewarding. Stem cells will definitely change the way we do the medical therapy. At present, there is no government regulations and no permissions to do this. But if I wish, I can do on my own responsibility. It's done? Huh? You removed the needle? Fantastic. I did not even realize, but press it because I was on a blood thinner and I used blood thinner, only stopped for 2 days. And then suddenly on Thursday morning, I thought I must do the stem cells as I have a weekend off. Being a Foxy president, I worked very hard. I did not stop my practice. So working in the operation theatre, working in a consulting, doing IVF, endoscopy, obstetrics and stem cell, it was maddening. and at least 3 to 4 days I was out with my stem cell, with my Foxy responsibility. So it was working very hard. And I think I could work hard because I was taking IV therapies, the NAD, especially the NAD and Alive's Myers cocktail very regularly to optimize my energy level. And the stem cells I did last year in September, October, and even in December. So I boosted my body. And now, today, I'm doing it. Again, after 4 to 6 weeks, I'll do second sitting. So by Delhi AICOG, I'll be rocking. But I'm doing this more because in February, I'm taking over as a president of ISAR, our reproductive medicine organization. But at the same time, I'm in a many international body. For example, in FIGO, I'm doing infertility member. I'm an infertility committee. I'm doing again international meetings and project for my Sampurna preconceptional care. I have done 7 publications. We are working very hard on my ethical evidence-based directives. First 10 volumes we released in this 2025 Mumbai AICOG, and we are preparing another 10 which are ready and gone to the publisher for release in Delhi in AICOG 2025. So working for my fellows, their PhD. We are doing the NAD in infertility, the publication, the stem cells and NAD for poor ovarian reserve, another publication. Though we have a 6 publication on stem cells by now, these 2 more important publications I'm working. All this needs stamina, energy, passion, dedication, and the stem cells. Thank you, dear. It's done. Usually, once this procedure is over, we just put a Gamgee pressure pack and I send the patient to the respective hospital if it is an infertility. And by the time patient reaches and every team there get ready, my stem cells are done and they reach to the hospital where we do intra-ovarian stem cell or hysteroscopic subendometrial stem cells. But today, instead of going and relaxing outside, I prefer to stay here because once the stem cells are ready, they are going to work. Now I'm going to enjoy one nice movie till the stem cells are getting ready. Thank you. The stem cells are going very slowly. Now they will go in my circulation, they will go in all my system. How many cc you have prepared? 10 cc?
14, 15.
So around 16 cc we prepare the stem cells. It's quite good. How was the result?
Yeah, good count.
Good count? Fantastic.
Viability.
Viability was 100%. The bone marrow came so fast, I believe, because I do regularly. So it increases my stem cells also. So I finished my stem cell. I finished my exosome. I'll send the dress tomorrow. There are 2 patients up. So I have been told to come up from 3rd floor to 6th floor to do the consultation. So I'm going up. I'll do a consultation and then I go home. So I came here around 3 o'clock and now it is around 5 o'clock. So that's fantastic. It is so simple and so magic results. I'm really very happy. After 6 weeks, I'll do my second dose. Hi all. Fantastic. Thank you for your patience. I'll see one by one.